Nothing signifies the start of a patio summer season like a well-made fresh cocktail. This year at Casey's, we partner with a local fruit supplier that hand presses all of their fruit juices without adding any preservatives or additives. Together, we've created 4 exotic fruit cocktails for you to enjoy all summer long. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the blueberry acai pomegranate. Before we get started, I just want to show you some of the ingredients you're going to need to create the cocktail. The first thing you're going to need is a fresh blueberry pomegranate blend. Now, chances are you can find this at a local grocer, either on its own in a blend or individually, and you can blend them equal parts. The next thing you're going to need is a fresh citrus blend. I've got fresh lime juice, fresh lemon juice, and just a little bit of cane sugar to take off the tartness. If you do happen to find a fresh premium lemonade, that'll also work. Third ingredient is actually a super berry from Brazil called acai. We're going to look for a cordial or a concentrate. We just need a little bit to use as a flavoring agent. And lastly, I've chosen my super premium vodka. In this case, it's 42 below from New Zealand. Now, just before we get started, you just need a couple of tools as well. One is a Boston shaker. It comprises of 2 parts. You've got your shaking tin and a Boston shaking glass, and then just a strainer. You can use a Hawthorne strainer, which I like because I can control how much fruit I let inside the cocktail, or you can use what's called a julep strainer. So, we're going to get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some ice to my Boston shaking glass. Always want to add it to the Boston shaking glass so I can see what's going on rather than in the mixing tin. And I'm going to take 3 ounces of my pomegranate blueberry juice. Always important to measure it very accurately. The next thing I'm going to do is actually just take 1 ounce of my fresh citrus or lemonade and drop that inside. And then again, because it's a concentrate, I'm just going to take a 1/4 ounce of my acai Brazilian berry inside. And lastly, 1 ounce of my premium vodka. There we are. Now we're ready to shake. I'm going to add all of those items to my shaking tin. Bill, make sure to put the seal behind you. So if you're entertaining guests at home and you have a leaky seal, all the juice goes behind you in your kitchen and not in your guests. So I'm going to shake the cocktail well. So I'm going to shake that up. There we are. Now I'm going to take my glass, in this case just a standard old-fashioned highball. This one's about 15 ounces, and I'm going to pack it with fresh ice. Always pack with fresh ice. Never use the ice that you use to make the cocktail. And I'm going to strain all the great color and flavors in over the fresh ice. You've got all sorts of great nutritional properties here from not only the super berry, the acai, but also blueberry and pomegranate. Color looks fantastic. And then garnishing, a step that a lot of people miss when entertaining at home, but it's actually crucial to the presentation. So a great rule of thumb is just try to use one of the seasonal fruits that you've got as an ingredient inside. In this case, I've chosen blueberries, so I've got 3 fresh berries on a skewer. I'm going to put that in there. And there you are. This will sure to be a crowd pleaser. This is the blueberry acai pomegranate. Cheers. Enjoy.